Yo, so salty. Ijani. Ijani a catchy hitmaker dog. He's name dropped. Holy Alpha dog. He said his master, bro. He said his master dog. So salty dropped a diss track for Bravo Lyrox.
Yo, spinning armla, but that bitch is not even a hit. Let me not stop with the hits. If I your feature ngulu or your internet stunts, of course, or your influential boys, gunganzi maku and get hits. Boy, your shit is sweet. The song is while it's lunch bar, boy. Ganga ya can cut by city. Your shit is bravo. And
then on that diss track, he says he's master Holy Alpha.
maybe ndizophinda nokheleke ngoku ekapa. Maybe ndizokokheleka like last time ngoku bendibethe ualpha.
No. Hey dude, that's interest, that's nice. Congratulations to him, dog, that's nice. But yo, he's saying it though. I don't think that's a good thing for Holy Alpha. For him to say it out publicly now, I don't think that's a good thing for Holy Alpha, dog. Come on, man. Why that nigga had to do that? You don't kiss and tell, bro. Come on, man. Yo, that's shocking, bro. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about it, bro. I'm happy for him. I'm happy for him. I'm just sad for Holy Alpha that the thing is out now. He let it out publicly. I'm sure Holy Alpha didn't want that. She didn't want it to be public. So them other girls get scared now. They won't wanna smash Salty because I mean that nigga go name drop, go kiss and tell. Hey. But hey, shout out dog, shout out to Salty. Yeah, tell me what you think about the situation. Is it cool to say it out when it's a was smash? Is it cool for we be like we tete, or I mean, do you judge him or not? So that's chill.